Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into a helpful guide on Magnavox Universal Remote Codes. Whether you've just bought a Magnavox Remote or need to program it for different devices, we've got you covered. Stick around as we explore how to easily find and use these codes. So, what exactly are Universal Remote Codes? These codes are specific sequences that allow your remote to communicate with different brands and models of TVs, DVD players, soundbars, and more. For Magnavox Remotes, programming them is straightforward. First, grab your Magnavox Remote and the manual that came with it. If you've lost the manual, don't worry. You can usually find the codes online through Magnavox's official website or other trusted sources. Once you have the codes, here's how you can program your remote. Admiral 0129 0130, Advent 0036, Akai 0102 0117 0034 0090. AOC 0058 0060 009030 0096 024. Apex Digital 0133 0037 0049 0020. Check description for full code. Turn on the device you want to control. Press and hold the setup button until the red indicator stays on, then release the setup button. Enter the code for your device using the number buttons. The indicator should turn off. Test the remote to see if it controls your device. If not, repeat steps 2 to 3 with the next code in the list until you find the correct one. Once paired, you can enjoy the convenience of controlling multiple devices with just one remote. Remember, if you ever reset your remote or need to add a new device, you'll follow similar steps using the codes provided. Conclusion. And there you have it. Programming your Magnavox Universal Remote doesn't have to be daunting. With these simple steps and the right codes, you'll have your devices synced up in no time. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Have any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.